The Miller aspiration system removes flour dust directly from the mill and the sifter. The aspiration system is installed on the Miller D-50S series mills, both new units and those already in operation. Coarse particles settle in the container, while fine dust is captured by the filter bags. Clean air is returned to the workplace. The system is mounted directly onto the mill. Thanks to clamp connections, it is easy to remove, clean, and maintain. Operates from standard 220 volts power outlet. It removes heat. Flour remains cool and stable in quality.